Hi guys, my name is Paolo from FX Solutions. If you are new to the channel, please click on the subscribe button below. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the dollar currency index to make better informed trading decisions when trading USD inclusive currency pairs. So please watch the video up until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and also click on the notification button. Welcome back guys. So as you can see, I'm on the DXY on the weekly time frame. As you can see, this is the bigger picture. I just wanted to show you guys the bigger picture before we get into the current market price. So this is the bigger picture, and if you look at, let me just zoom. If you look at this price action here, if we mainly focus on this price action here, we are actually trending to the downside. So the overall picture says that we are trending to the upside, and right now I want you guys to look at what we had currently. So we had this low here, and then price went up, came back to the same area and created another low, and then started going up as a result of the formation of the structure here. So we actually have a double bottom here, hence why we are going up, hence why we went up. So right now, another important area for me is this area here. So it's very important to look at how we got to the area. So how we got to the area is actually going to determine where price might be heading next. So right now, let me go to the daily time frame so I can have a clearer picture of things. So as you can see, this is the structure that we have on the daily time frame. So as you can see, this structure, for me, the structure can mean two different things. It can mean that we might be forming a continuation pattern to the upside, and it can also mean that we might just be forming a reversal pattern to the downside, maybe up until this zone here. So right now, things outside of this structure are unclear, but things within the structure are quite clear for me, because we actually have a first touch here, second touch here, and now I'm expecting a third touch here. So for me to actually have an expectation like that, I also need to look at the current structure and see if it aligns with my expectation or not. So right now, this structure aligns with my expectations. So right now I want to go to the 4-hour time frame so you guys can see a clearer picture of the structure. As you can see, this is quite a nice structure, and what made this structure more probable is the fact that we also have a pattern within pattern. So we have another ascending structure within the overall ascending structure, which as a result created this breakout of the structure. So we actually had an impulse to the downside, our first correction, and now it looks like we've broken out of the structure. So this, I didn't actually take this trade, but if I was trading in the live markets and seeing this already, I was going to take my sell after the breakout there or somewhere at the top of the structure, which would be a very good trade. So seeing this, for me, I'm already expecting some dollar weakness from the market. So I'm expecting a dollar weakness because of all the things that I've seen here. So I actually have a lot of confluence, so we can expect some dollar weakness. I want you guys to remember this, because now we are going to go to the Euro USD. Now I'm on Euro USD on the weekly time frame, and I just wanted to show you guys the bigger overall structure before going into things. So if you look at this piece of price action here, if we focus on this piece of price action here, you can actually see that price is currently trending to the upside, which is the opposite of what we saw on the DXY. We also, if you look at closely, we also had the exact same things on the DXY, but in an opposite manner. So Euro USD is actually an inverse of the DXY. So if you remember very well, on the DXY we had a downtrend, and at the end of our downtrend we had a double bottom. Right now on Euro USD we are on an uptrend, and now we have a double top. We have this first high here, this move to the downside, and then price came back to the same area to create another high, which created a double top. So right now we are at the neckline of the double top. So this is where things are going to happen. Price is either going to decide to fall or go back up, because this is a very important area. Now if you look closely, we have our first touch here, second touch, and right now we are on our third touch. So what is actually interesting for me here is the fact that we got at the third touch in a corrective manner. So for the fact that we got here in a corrective manner means that we might be expecting some strength from EURUSD, which aligns with our edge on the DXY, which is for some dollar weakness. So some dollar weakness would mean that EURUSD is going to gain some strength, and right now EURUSD is showing some exhaustion in price. So price went down, but then it started to exhaust at this area here, which tells us that price might be ready to go up. So let me go to the daily time frame. As you can see, we have a clearer picture of the structure, and we have our 1, 2, 3. So we already have 3 touches within the structure, which tells us that price might be ready to break out now and move up. Another thing, to add more confluence, we also have this double bottom within the structure. So we actually have a reversal within a reversal, which increases the probability of the trade playing out. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have. Let me actually set a target for our trade. So right now we don't have the cleanest. Let me just remove this. Yeah, so this is what we have on the 4-hour. I'm expecting a continuation pattern, and then the continuation to the upside. So this is actually the target. So since we are expecting some dollar weakness, we are going to be expecting some strength in the Euro USD. I hope you guys saw I hope you guys saw the correlation within these currency pairs. The DXY not only aligns with the Euro USD, but a lot of the major currency pairs. So I'll be doing more videos about the DXY and correlation. So yeah, this was the first of many. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and also click on the notification button.